If you're an affiliate marketer, you know how precious your time is. I've got some ideas on how you can save some of that time. Keep watching to find out how. Now before we get started, make sure you like this video, share this video, subscribe and click that bell icon so every time I bring out a new video, you'll be notified right away. This way you'll be updated with the latest information so you don't miss a beat. Hey everyone, it's Chip Hine with HindeSights. So again, if you're an affiliate marketer, you probably know how precious your time is, especially how little there is of it. I have the same problem as a lot of other people in that there's just not enough time during the day. Especially if you're new to affiliate marketing or you're new to your own business, you probably have a regular 9-to-5 job you're trying to fit into. So I've got just a few tips that are going to help you get a little bit more done in the little time that you have during the day. One of the most important things I can tell you is to set timelines for yourself, set goals. I can't tell you, it's just so hard to try to do something without having a plan. There's several ways to do it. One way is to look at where you want to be and start backtracking from there, either as a year or months, and that gives you a roadmap to how you want to get there. There's two really great tools that I do use to help me be able to track all this. That's Monday.com and Trello. Both of them are really good at as far as scheduling and marking off goals and checking off lists. Essentially has become my scratch pad, my post-it notes, my calendars, and they're really great, especially if you're working with a team. They're also integratable as a team. So if you haven't tried those, try them out. Monday.com, Trello. Really great for helping you plan and set goals. So another tip I have for you, especially if you're a content creator, is work on making your own content. Now, it sounds like a lot more work to actually make your own content, but it's really not. If you're having other people write for you or you're utilizing things that are already written, it takes just as much time to go through and edit it and make it your own. So why not just produce your own work? You can be more original that way. As far as trying to figure out what maybe would rank better, if you haven't checked it out, try explodingtopics.com. It gives you a good idea of what's trending now on the internet and maybe give you some ideas and some inspiration for what you can actually create content for. Another thing, and this kind of comes into play with Trello and Monday.com, is if you have inspiration, you never know when it's going to strike. So just have something handy to write that down, whether it's making a note on your phone or if it's using an app or if you've got a pen and paper. Sometimes I've jotted down things on an old receipt because you never know when things are going to strike you. I even keep a notepad by the bed at night, so when I wake up, I go ahead and just jot down if I think of something in the middle of the night. The next thing I'm going to tell you is, as much as we're addicted to looking at our phones, do not constantly check your email. If you're constantly looking at your email, you're just wasting your day away. Dedicate a specific time during the day to go through and check your emails. Don't keep going back to your emails over and over again. You're losing time concentrating and doing other things. You're constantly breaking your rhythm and vibe. And then the time it takes you to go back and think about composing an email, replying back to somebody, and dealing with multiple issues throughout the day, it is a time suck. Please protect that time you have doing other projects and look at just one specific time during the day to look at emails. Another great way to save some time is to outsource your busy work. It's great when you've got something that you can be handled by someone else. So if you have employees, or if you're looking at maybe a task that can be handled by someone on Fiverr. So Fiverr, if you're not aware, it's a marketplace where people with talents can sell those skills and take up jobs for you, whether it's logo design, automated tasks, setting up websites. There are things you can have other people do for a pretty low price compared to what it costs to hire somebody. So go there, check them out if you've got something that maybe you can have someone else do and save some time. I can't tell you how many times I've been bogged down doing something like, I wish just someone else would do this for me. Fiverr's an excellent place for that. So that's all I really have for this. The important thing with affiliate marketing is that you get time to do what you need to do to make it work, whether it's following up with leads or placing ads, making content. There's only 24 hours in a day, and you got to sleep at some point too. So it's best to utilize the time that you have and make it worthwhile. So hopefully you'll take some of these tips, run with them, and hopefully you'll be successful. And if you want any more tips or any other resources, please come to our website, HindeSights.com. Check out our resources tab. There's lots of really cool things here that will help you save some time as well. So as always, thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you next time. Was any of this information helpful? If so, let me know in the comments below. And also make sure you like this video, share this video, and subscribe and click that bell icon so every time I bring out a new video, you'll be notified right away. This way, you'll be updated with the latest information so you don't miss a beat. Also, if you want to learn how to make money online legitimately, the right way and properly, visit HindeSights.com and learn step-by-step how to do that. Or click the link in the description to get started. Thank you for watching. We'll see you on the next video.